Yeah, so here it is Thursday, and I'm supposed to have gotten that wire last Friday, but due to the weather, it's just late. So I'm still waiting on those two power wires to finish up the wiring on that cat bank. I did get a few things in. Got me another one of these little handy dandy gadgets. So I can have one in the garage and one up here. I want to do soldering up here, that way I don't have to transport them back and forth. I did get another one of these meters, because as I showed y'all before, when you're clamping multiple wires, if you clamp, some of these amplifiers are going to have 4 powers, 4 grounds, and it really doesn't fit. 3 will fit in here. 3 will fit pretty good. We could jam 4 in there, but hell, some of them we might use all 6 terminals and put 6 or 8 1-aughts or 2-aughts into the amplifiers on these big amps. So anyway, so I have 2 clamps to accomplish that, and then we'll just have to add them together. That way we can get a good efficiency rating. So let's just open this box up. We'll show you how it comes packaged. They come packaged well, and these use a 9-volt battery. So that's all that's in the box, and then it comes with this old case, which I've thrown the others away. So let me pause it real quick. Well, my phone stand is out in the garage, but I mean, that's how, all I do is unzip it. That's how it comes packaged. You got a set of leads, and you've got your temperature probe. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Yeah, that's a temperature probe. There's a little bitty screwdriver for taking the cover off. And man, I swear, natural selection should come into play at some point in time. I hate every single thing that we have. I mean, why not just put the little tab on there? I mean, I understand, the screw holds it on better or whatever, but I mean, come on, man. All my kids' toys nowadays come with a freaking screw. You gotta take a screw off to open the toy. But anyhow, let me unbag it. Let me put you on pause again. Okay, so there's the batteries that it comes with. And there you go, it turns on. Battery's good. Now, I got tired of buying 9 volts. And one thing too is these units do not have an automatic turn off feature. So if you leave it on, it stays on until the battery goes dead. So I bought these rechargeable 9 volts. And then when I got the 9 volts, they don't measure 9 volts, they're like 7 something volts. But they do work. I've been using them now, and they last for a long time with these clamp meters. But that's what I bought. I forget how much it was, probably 20 bucks, whatever. It comes with 4 batteries and a charger for 4 batteries. So I've got 2 of the batteries in those 2, and then probably another device or whatever somewhere. But oh yeah, here's another battery. There it is right here. So so yeah, when that battery wears out, I'll just use a rechargeable battery. But yeah, wire's supposed to be here today. Waiting on UPS. So hopefully I'll get some amplifiers in here today or tomorrow. They're on the way as well. I've got several Berman's amplifiers, and then I'll talk about ordering another 1 or 2 and see what y'all think. Y'all can give me some feedback on that. Do you want to see 13K Or do you want me to order like another 1500 watt amp and then strap them together when they get here? Or, you know, a 1500 watt amp and a 5000 watt amp and strap them, because they are bridgeable. That's what it says. So anyway, let me know what you think. Would you rather see another big amp, or would you rather see a pair of small amps strapped? And then we'll get those ordered and get those in here as well and do some more testing. All right then, till next time.